You know, how do eggshells help your garden? Let's see. Once you have collected enough shells crumbles, sprinkle them around and in between your plants. Not only will the eggshells help control pests and eventually add calcium back to the soil, the white color can also be a beautiful accent to your garden. Is eggshell water good for plants? You know, eggshells, an excellent source of calcium, will cause citrus tree like lemon, orange, lime and grapefruit to be really healthy. With shiny green leaves, eggshells are also good for tomato plants and I use them similarly to improve growth and make the plants more vigorous.